Welcome to Infigyan, my dear friends. Today in this video, we have to solve one very interesting and challenging radical equation for the real values of x. Equation is square root x square plus 15 equal to 3x minus 2 plus square root x square plus 8. At first glance, it looks very simple and ordinary equation. We'll be squaring both sides. We'll get one quadratic equation and we will reach to our final answer. But it is not simple as that. Let me demonstrate you. Square root x square plus 8 we will take to the LHS. So we can write equation x square plus 15 minus square root x square plus 8 will be equal to 3x minus 2. Now we'll be squaring both sides. Now we will use a minus b whole square identity on both the sides. We will get square of square root x square plus 15 x square plus 15 plus square of square root x square plus 8, we will write x square plus 8 minus 2 times square root of x square plus 15 times x square plus 8, and in RHS we will write 9x square minus 12x plus square of 2, which is 4. Now we will take these terms to the RHS. So this is 2x square plus 23. So we can write minus 2 times square root of x square plus 15 times x square plus 8 will be equal to 9x square minus 12x plus 4 minus 2x square minus 23. Let me write our RHS as 9 minus 2 is 7x square. Then we have minus 12x. Then we'll write minus 19. And in LHS it is minus 2 times square root of x power 4. 15 plus 8 is 23x square. And 15 times 8 is 120. Now we'll be squaring once again. So we'll be using a plus b plus c whole square formula. So we'll be getting quadratic equation that won't be easy to solve completely. So this method or the method of squaring is not going to work for us. What we will do here, we'll take this term to the LHS first. So we'll write square root of x square plus 15 in left hand side. Then we'll write second square root term with negative sign minus square root x square plus 8 will be equal to 3x minus 2. Now we are going to rationalize our LHS. So let me write here square root x square plus 15 minus square root x square plus 8. Now we will multiply numerator denominator by square root x square plus 15 plus square root x square plus 8. So in the denominator we will multiply square root x square plus 15 plus square root x square plus 8 will be equal to 3x minus 2. Now we have a minus b times a plus b in the numerator. So we can utilize difference of two squares identity, which is a minus b times a plus b equal to a square minus b square. So we'll write here square root x square plus 15 whole square minus square root x square plus 8 whole square over square root x square plus 15 plus square root x square plus 8 will be equal to 3x minus 2. Now we can cancel square root and square from the numerator. So we will get x square plus 15 minus x square minus 8 in the numerator. So I will write x square plus 15 minus x square minus 8 in the numerator, and in the denominator we'll write square root x square plus 15 plus square root x square plus 8 equal to 3x minus 2. So plus and minus x square will be cancelled out. We can write 7 in the numerator, and denominator is square root of x square plus 15 plus square root of x square plus 8, and in RHS we can write 3x minus 2. Now as x increases, our denominator of LHS will be increasing function. So 7 over square root x square plus 15 plus square root x square plus 8 would be decreasing. So LHS will decrease as x increases, and RHS will increase as x increases. So one side we have decreasing function, another side we have increasing function. So we can say here we are going to get at most one real solution. Now we can find domain also. So from LHS, this is always positive. So RHS must be positive. So we can write here 3x minus 2 should be greater than 0. So 3x must be greater than 2. So we can write here x must be greater than 2 over 3 for x to be real. So x is greater than 2 by 3. We will use hit and trial method. So we can check our first natural number after our domain x greater than 2 over 3. I will check our equation at x equal to 1. So we'll find our LHS first, which is square root of x square plus 15 will be equal to square root of 1 square plus 15. 1 square is 1 plus 15 is 16. So our LHS is 4. Now we will check RHS. RHS will be 3 times x minus 2 plus square root of x square plus 8. After plugging x equal to 1, we will get 3 times 1 minus 2 plus square root of 1 square plus 8, which will give us 3 minus 2 plus square root of 9, which will be equal to 1 plus square root of 9 is 3. So we are going to get 4. which is matching with our LHS. LHS equal to RHS. Hence our solution, or better is to say unique solution, is X equal to 1. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.